Hey guys, as you can see, we've done a lot today. We've completely framed both windows. We've put in tinted plexiglass on both windows. We still have this window and the window up here to do. Completely framed the entire front. Put down plywood on the front. We had to extend it about 4 inches for a full-size bed. We've completely taken out the whole entire side. This is going to be a fold-out bench. It's going to be 6 foot long, and then we have 2 foot right here for a bathroom. Completely cut down on the bottom. It's going to be open all the way. It's going to be a non-wet bathroom. Just a 5-gallon little toilet with 5-gallon water. That's pretty much it. I'll post some pictures of the front before we put the plywood down and all that stuff. We foamed it, insulated, all that stuff. The cabinet's going to go right here. The sink's going to go about right here. We're going to do a backsplash around the window. And the rest of it, we'll do a different video for that. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe this video for more.